In this video, we're going to learn about similes. You've probably heard similes many times. For example, she's as quiet as a mouse. I didn't even hear her come in the house, is an example of a simile. Another example is, when the kids ran into the classroom after recess, they were like a tornado, scattering papers and knocking over chairs. These sentences are both similes, or a comparison of a similar quality of two different things, using the word like or as. So to say someone is as quiet as a mouse doesn't mean they're actually a mouse. It's comparing the person to a mouse and that they make very little noise. And to say the kids are like a tornado doesn't mean they are spinning in circles with high wind speeds. It means the kids are moving fast, being loud, and making a mess, which is what tornadoes can do. So why do people use similes like these? Similes make comparisons easier to explain or imagine. They help make a point by evoking an emotion or creating a vivid description. How do you figure out what something means when you hear or read a simile? First, find the two things that are being compared. Then, look for the word like or as. Last, think about what those two things might have in common. In the example, Maya is going to sleep like a log. The two things being compared are Maya and the way she sleeps, and a log. Here's the word like, telling us it's a simile. Now I can figure out what Maya's sleeping and a log have in common. Well, a log doesn't move, it just stays still. So I can figure out that Maya is going to sleep very deeply without tossing and turning. Here's another example. Luis is as strong as an ox. The two things being compared are Luis and an ox. The word as shows it's a simile. Similes that use as actually tell you the thing in common. In this case, it's strong. The sentence is saying that Luis and an ox are both strong. Remember, do not take similes literally. Instead, think about what the two things could have in common to figure out what is being said. Could you use some no-prep practice activities to work on similes with your students? Check out the link in the description and subscribe to this channel for more video lessons.